Hey, hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. My name is Pippen, editor from Panther Studios, and today let's look at what we'll be creating.
Okay, so we're going to create a new composition. And we're going to call it tutorial. Then I'm going to create my text. For the font, I don't have the font, so I'm going to create one. I'm going to be using the Tahoma font, and I'm going to also max around the font to get the exact font you can see in the movie. So I'm going to max. So I'm going to now invert the max, and we have a cool font like this. Then next thing, I'm going to bring out my texture and invert it so we can get that nice looking texture. Then you can reposition. Then next, I'm going to pre-compose it, and I'm going to call this the logo, and I'm going to duplicate the logo. I'm going to rename it to another one, to logo flip. Then I'm going to right click and go to flip horizontal. And I'm going to give this one a color, a red color. So I'm going to click customize, increase the size. Okay, then I'm going to add a curves adjustment to it, so increase the red channel to give it that deep red, then reduce the alpha channel. You can adjust to get whatever color you want, and I'm going to add sharpening to it and make it 50%. Then I'm going to turn on the other E, then adjust them accordingly. So I'm going to add my Equalizer text now. You can use whatever fonts you want. Then you can align the text. And I'm going to pre-compose the two layer. Then I'm going to call it title. And open it up, and we're going to add a texture to it also. So we'll put one below, one of the texture below, and and put them on alpha. Then you can now align it to get your desired texture look. So I think it's okay, it's fine by me. You can do some adjustments and to get your desired looks also. Then so I'm going to add keyframes to the logo now. Make sure you highlight all of them and click on the position. I'm going to put a keyframe for the position and shift this white one and the red one apart. Then go some few frames and add same position to them. Then let's zoom into our text and probably increase the position. So but the animation is not yet cool, but we're gonna do some adjustments. Then we're going to easy ease them. To easy ease, make sure you highlight your keyframes and right click on them and you see the easy ease. Then I'm going to also go to the graph editor and make them this way to smoothen them out. I think the keyframes are too far away, so I'm going to bring them closer. Okay, here I'm going to bring out my scale and add keyframe to the white. For the white I'm going to reduce it, and for the red I'm going to increase it. And also add easy ease to them, to all the keyframes, and make sure you do the same in the graph editor. You can do adjustments for the animation to be perfect. Then I'm going to bring out my text and also align them to the logo. So let's also do, we're going to go to new and I'm going to call this marks, and we're going to add marks to the title. So click on your rectangle tool and draw the shape like this, and click on the title and make sure you invert it with the marks. Then I'm going to add position keyframe to my text. Then I'm going to right click and easy ease them. Then go to the graph editor and also do same thing. Then we have this cool animation. Then I'm going to adjust the keyframes to align with the scale of the logo. I think it's a little bit better, but we're going to also do some adjustment their position, and also we're going to scale and also reposition our logo E, the white. We're going to align it to the size of the text. Make sure you do same adjustment to get the same result.
Oh shit.
So we're going to put a playback and see what we have so far. So I'm going to close this one up, and let's make a keyframe for the max this rectangle tool here. I'm making it a little bit fast, so I'm not going to take the whole day trying to do this, but make sure you do your smooth and nice. So I've eased it, and let's see what we have. And also I'm going to do some adjustment to the text. Make sure you put a playback and also do adjustment to whatever you want to do. So next thing I'm going to add shadow to the text. So I'm going to the effects panel and type in drop shadows and increase. So I'm going to add motion blur to all the animated layers. So it's good, and make sure you do some adjustments also. Now I'm going to pre-compose all the layers together. So I'm going to right click, pre-compose, and call it whatever name you like. Then let's create a new adjustment layer. So go to layer, new adjustment. Then I'm going to look for the glitch effect. Then drag and drop it on the adjustment layer, and let's do some settings here.
Oh shit.
Okay, then I'm going to also add a grain. I'm going to add grain to it. like noise. Yeah, going to add noise, then shut off the little box there, then drag it to the end and also to the end. Then I'm going to add 3 to it, and it's fine. Then I'm going to add sharpening to everything and make it also 50% of the sharpening. It's okay. Then next I'm going to add feather to everything. Then I'm going to create a new layer, click on the ellipse tool and make sure you double click on it to get the shape, and invert the marks. Then click on your keyboard to bring out the properties, then increase the feather to get your desired results. Okay, so it's fine by me. And let's put a playback and see what we have so far. Okay, next I'm going to put opacity to it, take it down to 0, add a keyframe to it, and also go a little bit frame and make it 100%, so you have this fade in effect to your video. Okay, I'm going to create a scale effect for it, a kind of zoom in effect. So I'm going to go to the last frame, make it 110, and playback. You can also do adjustment if you don't like it. Just make sure you don't just stick to whatever I do. You can play around all the effects then to get whatever you desire for this effect. So I'm going to add background to my layer. So I have this dark blue background, and I'm going to fit it to the comb. And let's bring the opacity out a bit there. The scale, make sure it's 100, and maybe increase it to your desired result. Increase it to your desired size, and also we're going to make a keyframe for the opacity also. Add the keyframe, go back to the beginning, and also put it down to 0. So we have something like this. So what I did here, I reduced 100 to like 10. Then I'm going to add a theme bar. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, make sure you give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and also add your comments into the comment section. If you have any questions, make sure you add it to the comment section also. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.